it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm making something a little bit different, which is exciting. I am making a PawPaw pepper. So this is really simple. I made myself a PawPaw summer smoothie, and then I have scooped out all of the seeds from half of my PawPaw. I've given them a good wash through my strainer, and now I'm just going to get them as dry as possible. So PawPaw seeds so often end up in the bin. People don't realize how many health benefits are in them. So they can help with your kidney function. They have antioxidants that can help fight off cancer. So this is just a really easy way to get them into your diet. So I'm just gonna put them out here, and I'm just gonna pat them off to dry basically, just so it just speeds up the process of dehydrating. So today I'm going to use the Sedona Supreme Dehydrator. So they come with stainless steel trays, which I really like, and I'm just going to use it with a Teflon sheet. You can use silicone though if you prefer, it's entirely up to you. So I'm just going to spread my PawPaw seeds out onto the tray. So just try and spread them out so they're not touching too much. This will help them dehydrate faster. The Sedona Supreme has 9 trays, but you can just use one if you want, or you can fill it right up. So I'm going to be using the TST feature. So you've got the option of fast, raw, or TST. So the TST feature is a 2-stage temperature mode. So I'm going to dehydrate at a higher temperature for 2 hours. So 60 degrees, set, and then for 2 hours. And then this is my option to do a lower temperature. So I'm going to do 55 degrees for 12 hours. Depending on your dehydrator and the seeds, it can take between 12 and about 24 hours. We press start. But as we know, we always make one earlier to show you. I love it, the light comes on as well, which is really handy. So they look great, they're really dry. It's got a little bit more of the skin on, but that'll just sweeten it up a little bit. All right, so we're gonna put it in this pepper grinder now. Give it a whirl. So I'm gonna use this spatula just to loosen it up. Now we don't have a funnel, so I've made my own out of paper, just to make it a bit easier to go in. That looks awesome. I'm gonna screw my lid in place. So I've just made this delicious PawPaw pepper. I'm so excited to try it. Let's give it a crack. Happy dehydrating.